Hey guys, what's up? It's me. I'm just doing a video real quick. I'm gonna explain to you what I'm gonna be doing. I'll be doing gaming. I'll be doing vlogs. Hopefully, I'll be able to get this thing to work. I have a camera in my hand right now, and it doesn't want to come out. So oh God, no, don't throw that. I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna on Instagram right now. Post a picture of this thousand. Okay, so yeah, we took a picture, and now we can upload it. I'll put a link and you can below to my Instagram. Okay. Um, so I'm watching a show right now. It's wait, did you guys hear me? It's good. I was watching a show. I'm watching Lab Rats right now. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do this every day. If I can get this to work on my camera, the one I was hoping. If I can get the camera to work, I will upload. But for right now, it's gonna be through the camera on my computer. Alright, comment, rate, subscribe, guys. Don't rate this video though, okay? Just rate my other video I made. Okay, bye.